Hi, how are you doing? Welcome. Our focus today is on our natural hair. How to use the styling gel on our natural hair to get that super adorable, amazing look, which will leave everyone asking you, how did you get that look? How did you do that? So guys, let's do this. But before we do that, hold up. Subscribe. Subscribe. Like it and also leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the transformation. Okay, tell me what you think about it, and also you can talk to me through my social media platforms, which are on the description, that is. So let's get into it. What we'll do first is comb your hair. I've already washed the hair, and so the first step is to comb it. Okay. Or we can say detangle your hair. Like that. Next is where we take the styling gel and apply it on our hair. So if you have lots of hair, you'll have to divide the hair into two. You apply the center and then outside. But if you have less hair, you can just apply here on the frontal lines around the hair. That is the gel. But if you have lots of, actually have two patches. At the center katikati and at the back. Okay? Like that. If you are to use your hair as the puff here up, don't apply the gel up towards the ends. You just apply around it. Okay? But if you have something else like an extension, you can actually apply up to the end. But if you're just going to use it so like that. So next you work on these ones. You apply on these ones the gel, the ones that you left out. you take it round and then push it up like that. You see? Like that. Then you comb this part. My mirror is here, that's why I'm looking this side. So you comb it like that. After you tie it, you comb this hair. I make that puff, you know. You can just use a hair tie to hold your hair up. Then use your kitamba or piece of cloth to tie it so that you can that is much better. You tie it up. Then give it a few minutes. So as we're giving it a few minutes, we can be working on our. So guys, after a few minutes, now we check it out how it is. I know, curious too. Drum rolls. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like that. So remember, you can actually leave the cup lip like that, or for me, I am going, look at that. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Wow. Let me add some light here. So guys, it looks great. I'm excited. So the next thing I will what? You can actually leave it like that. It looks you can actually remain like that or add an extension. For me, I'm adding an extension. excited, like unajua imetokea poa, like you know. So guys, remember to like, tell me what you think in the comment section, because really I am excited. I'm super excited. I'm actually going out. Anyway, I'm excited and it looks amazing, and I just like it. I just love it. I love the transformation. It is amazing. So guys, just in the comment section, tell me what you think. I love it. For me, I love it. I love it. I love it. And subscribe, and after this you're going to my next upload, to my other upload. Okay, let's go.